Hello everybody, and today I will be showing you how to make a screen holder of my Lego Nintendo Switch. This notes to the start of the series. Please note that soon all of these videos will be in a playlist. Now let's begin. This is a rather simple build to make. I'll move the pieces to the side for better view. First, take a 4x12 plate and take a 2x6 tile. Attach it like so, and your current structure, the screen holder, should look like this. After that, take a 2x3 tile and attach it on the side. Once you have done that, then take another piece and attach it on the side. Then to fill in the leftover space, please take a 1x2 tile and attach it. After that, the gap is done, and this is where the screen of the Switch will be sitting. Once you have performed these steps, take these pieces, attach them like so, and there should be a 4-stud gap in the middle. Do the same thing on the other side. Then take two more pieces, and please try your best to make sure they're in the same color so that it looks good. Then rotate it and put two more pieces that are the same color so that it doesn't look sus. Then take two more of these and attach them on the sides too, filling in the remaining gaps between the whole console. After this, now you're almost done with your build. Now you just need to take two 1x10 plates and attach them on the top, leaving a 1-stud gap on either side. Then you should be currently looking. Now we are almost done. Now we just need to take round tiles of 1x1 size and attach them on the sides to fill in the remaining studs. Once you have performed this, you are officially done. I hope you like my content, and please subscribe to my channel, ring the notification bell, and like my videos if you desire to. Bye. See you in the next video, which will most probably be the Joy-Cons or the screen of the Switch. Please note that this can be made in any color as you desire, and I am not forcing you to use these specific pieces.